A lot of people say that there's not much to do at MSU, and I could not disagree more. I have found so many nice little nooks and crannies to draw or read in, just the most peaceful places on or near campus, or fun spots to just hang around and sit in the sun, enjoy a nice day, bring friends to. There's so many different places. There's Cave Run, you can go swimming, you can go hiking, you can walk on the beach. There's so many wonderful outdoor places to go, and it feels like the town's just dropped into the middle of the woods, and I love that. My name is Loiacono. I am a graphic design major at MSU, and I'm from Pulaski County, Burnside, Kentucky. This semester at Morehead's Celebration of Student Scholarship, I earned the Experiential Education Intern of the Year award. I've been at this internship for a year at the MSU Office of Communications and Marketing. I've loved every minute of it. I was ecstatic when they invited me back for a second semester, and I can't wait to keep working with them next year as well, where I chose to come to Morehead State in the junior year of my high school experience and came to the Craft Academy here. And after 2 years here, I met so many wonderful people and did so many amazing things, and I just felt natural to stay here, and so it was kind of a no-brainer to stick around after craft and fill out the rest of my years in college here. It's just a place where I feel comfortable and at home, and I know the people here, I know the professors, I have connections that I can continue to grow, and it just feels like the place where I can really set myself up to head into the real world after. My classroom experience here has been so homey. That's what I like about MSU, and that's actually one of the main reasons that I came back, is that an MSU classroom doesn't feel like it's a lecture and the professor's talking at you for an hour. It feels like more of a conversation, and I felt instantly relaxed here. And I felt really at home and like I had a family here. So you can't get homesick when you're still at home.